outputs. This can result in discriminatory outcomes, further marginalizing already disadvantaged groups and perpetuating societal inequalities. It's essential to address the challenges of data quality to ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and ethically. The impact of poor data quality on AI systems is not merely theoretical. It has real-world consequences that are becoming increasingly evident across various sectors. One striking example is the case of Microsoft's Tay chatbot, an AI system designed to interact with users on Twitter. Due to the use of biased and offensive data in its training, Tay quickly began generating inflammatory and discriminatory tweets, forcing Microsoft to take it offline within just 16 hours of its launch. This incident highlighted the importance of carefully curating and vetting training data to prevent AI systems from perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Another example lies in the realm of recruitment, where AI is increasingly being used to automate the hiring process. Amazon's attempt to develop an AI-powered recruiting tool exhibited a significant gender bias, consistently downgrading resumes from female candidates. These examples demonstrate the tangible consequences of using flawed or biased data in AI systems. It underscores the importance of addressing data quality issues to ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. Recognizing the critical importance of data quality in AI, it's imperative to implement effective solutions and strategies to ensure the integrity and reliability of the data used to train these systems. Data cleansing is a crucial first step, involving the identification and correction of errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies within the dataset. Standardization is key to achieving consistency across different data sources. By establishing common formats, units of measurement, and data definitions, organizations can ensure that data is interpreted uniformly, reducing the risk of errors and misinterpretations by AI algorithms. Data enrichment involves supplementing existing data with additional information from external sources. However, it's crucial to ensure the reliability and relevance of the added data to avoid introducing new biases or inaccuracies. Data validation is an ongoing process of verifying the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of data throughout its lifecycle. Establishing clear data governance policies is essential to ensure that data is handled responsibly and ethically. By embracing these solutions and fostering a culture of data quality, organizations can mitigate the risks associated with poor data and unlock the true potential of AI. Ensuring high-quality data is not just a technical challenge, but a shared responsibility, requiring collaboration and commitment from data scientists, engineers, ethicists, and policymakers alike.